Hey guys, I don't know how exciting this review is going to be. The words should be all that matters because there's no way to show audio right through this video. But I did a 2-channel version of this, and I sold them all over the country after that. And every single one of those customers is blissfully happy with that, including the job we just shot in Houston. So we're going to talk about Theory audio surround sound. So when I originally fell in love with Theory, at that time I couldn't put it behind the screen yet. It was kind of a time where I couldn't really afford much more than the 2-channel system at that time, but I needed to get it in here because I loved it that much. So I got a tiny amplifier or one of their 4-channel amps, and I did a sub and a 2-channel. And I showed it off all the time, and even though it wasn't in surround sound, people bought it still, but they were sad. They were like, oh, man, you gotta let me know when you get the surround sound system in here. So I eventually bought the rest of it. So this is a 5.1.2 Theory system with their 15-inch sub. It is a center channel behind the screen. We have 10 speakers behind that screen. So it is their in-wall 25, their IW25 speakers across the front. I've got IW25s on the rears, and I've got their IC6s in the ceiling. And I'm not entirely sure if he can zoom in on them or not because of the downlighting and the way that they look, but it's right here. Sorry, I had to mess with these lights to see if you could see them better because they're really hard to see. I have black ceiling, they're black. They don't have grills on them, but you know, nothing crazy special to look at other than the fact that they're like a sealed, ported 6-inch speaker in the ceiling, and they are just stupid good. So, and I talked about this in the beginning. The first time I ever heard Theory was only those 2 speakers. It was those 2 speakers and no sub. I was literally shocked of not just detail and volume and all the stuff that I love about Theory, but the fact that they were like $600 or $700 a piece or something, and they sounded like freaking floor standing speakers or something. They're ridiculous. The owner of that company is like some kind of mad scientist in a good way, but shockingly good. So when I put this in here now and people come in here, it's so good I'm afraid to turn it on is the best way for me to describe it, right? Because I have a whole bunch of other stuff that's expensive in here, but people want in-walls. They don't want floor standing speakers really. Normally I had to go back and tell them that floor standing speakers are better and all this stuff. The thing is, though, the full Theory system that's in here, just audio alone with no preamplifier, is sitting around $16,000. Worth every penny. So that's the 3 fronts, 2 rears, 2 ceiling, and a sub, and an amplifier. So you're looking right around that 16 mark. And so the problem is if I play something like that for somebody, then they don't like any of the other stuff that I played at all. So that's the trick there is, you know, at the end of the day, I have to make sure someone even has the budget to turn this system on because it's so good that it will talk people out of other things that they should still buy and would still enjoy. Things that really stand out about this system when I turn it on, I always play open range. There's a scene where they kind of walk up to these 3 guys, and this guy said he killed a boy, which makes me really happy after this because he shoots him right in the forehead. And when he does that, the gun sounds very, very similar to an actual gun if shot in this room. I mean, it almost scares you. So that's one of the things that, you know, with Theory, it's like most of the time when you turn a speaker up loud enough to make a gunshot sound like a gunshot, you also then worry about the speaker's integrity, and most of the time you should. With Theory, like, you hear it and you're thinking like, there's more there. I could turn that up if I wanted to. That's a pretty big deal when they also sound so good musically. The score of the movie is amazing. All that stuff, just a visceral impact coming out of a speaker that size is shocking. And so, you know, when you play if you play a system like that, especially when you have room acoustics in a room, because the center channel can be a tiny bit harsh. But it's harsh because it's so loud, and people complain they can't ever hear the voices, which is just not a thing with Theory. So it's just so in your face, you're kind of like, man, I hear everything that guy's saying. So if you throw some acoustics in the room and you know, deaden those reflections and stuff like that from such a powerful center channel, and you play your common demos, you know, your Ready Player Ones and all this stuff, it's just such a cut above the rest of every other in-wall system. You know, only big floor standing speakers can have a conversation with them at that point. So they punch way above their weight, just like the reviews say. You know, you start playing these things, you go in and listen to a Theory demo, and it just makes your jaw drop, and you're like, I just have to have that. And so that is my favorite in-wall system right now. Outside of Pro Audio, if you want to go to Pro Audio, please do. When I heard the Pro Audio demo in California, I was I mean, I literally have never heard a system sound that good ever. As a matter of fact, I heard this track from Imagine Dragons, which I think is in my video of stuff to demo. There's this big drum that hits in the beginning, right? And I've tried to emulate that even in my own house. I've got a $100,000 theater. I've tried to emulate it in here. I've played it on, I bought physical media because I bought it on Apple TV first, and I was like, oh, maybe it's just because it's compressed. And that Imagine Dragons song, it's like the second to last song with that big drum this guy's beating on. I've only ever heard it on that Pro system. I mean, everything else just sounded like really muted in comparison. So if you have a chance to listen to a Theory surround sound system, we have it here in Frisco. I will never not have it now. If the budget allows, if you have a $30,000-ish budget for your theater with screen and projector and all the parts and pieces that go into it, it's a $30,000 mark usually. Give it a listen because it is just sick. So we'll do some B-roll so you can see the speakers again. We'll try to cut in that speaker where we were messing around with the light trying to see it. And come in and give it a listen. Listen to it anywhere that you can if you're in the market for it. It is worth every penny. And Theory surround sound, we finally have it. Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you for listening to whatever I was just rambling about. And of course, if you are in the Dallas area or surrounding areas and you can get here, visit our showrooms in Frisco or South Lake location. And now we can help you anywhere, from anywhere in the country through the world's first mom and pop shop on the internet called FCAVsystems.com. We are very excited about this project. We're happy to bring what Theater Advice does here in Texas to everyone. Thanks for watching.